ozone is like house without roof. World Ozone Day is celebrated on 16th September every year. In 1994, September 16th designated as World Ozone Day by United National General Assembly. Since then, 16th September celebrated as World Ozone Day every year. The theme for 2020 is Ozone for Life, 35 years of layer protection. In this year, we celebrated 35 years of VNA Convention and 35 years of global ozone layer protection. Life on Earth would not be possible without sunlight, but the sun contains some harmful rays. These rays can cause a numerous skin disease, eye blindness, and stunting of plants, etc. Ozone layer, a fragile shield of gas, protect the Earth from the harmful portion of the rays of the sun, thus helping preserve life on the Earth. A number of commonly used chemicals have been found to be extremely damaging to the ozone layer. The man-made chemicals that have provide most of the chlorine and bromide for ozone depletion are methyl-bromide and chlorofluorocarbon and etc. World Ozone Day marks the importance and role of the ozone layer in the environment. On this day, numerous activities and programs have been held in order to spread awareness about the importance of ozone layer and also the depletion of the ozone layer and how to protect it. Conclude my words. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz.